On Saturday, one Ismail sheikh, who is a resident of Aquem, appeared at the police station and informed that behind his house there is one storeroom of whose extension work was going on. And while work was doing, they found some skeleton remains and one skull while digging out the toilet part. In the inquiry, it was revealed from the owner of the house, Ismail Sheikh, that since last 15 to 20 years he was abroad, that is Dubai, for some work purpose, and one couple from Bijapur was staying as a caretaker of the said house. So in the June 2008, the wife, the lady person whose name is Renuka, called said owner of the house in the abroad and informed that her husband is missing, and they are going to Bijapur in search of her husband. So again, after 4 days, a call was received from one daughter of the said couple informing that her mother and father were killed in Bijapur in some property dispute. And afterwards, there was no any whereabouts of the said couple, and the owner of the house was also not knowing the address details, nothing about the said couple. When my team reached to Bijapur, it came to the notice that the son of the deceased is presently not staying at Bijapur and he has shifted to Kunur after selling all the property from Bijapur. So my team again left to Kunur and conducted inquiry. There they found this son, namely Parshuram Doranahalli. The name of the son was Parshuram Doranahalli. So Parshuram Doranahalli. So after conducting the inquiry with the son regarding this said person and the said incident, he confessed about the crime and told that he along with his mother killed the said Bhimsen. He along with his mother assaulted him and he became unconscious, and after that they strangulated his throat, and to destroy the evidence they buried him inside the room. For this case, we tried our level best and we have managed to detect this case. So in this connection, our SP South has rewarded our team for rupees 5,000 reward.